Here's how to check if your monitor cable is HDMI or DisplayPort. DisplayPort has a flat one end angled on the other end, and HDMI angled both ends. Next, on DisplayPort input, you can only use this on laptop, desktop PC, and graphics card. HDMI is used for projector, TV, and display. So, if you are going to use it on your laptop, go ahead and have DisplayPort. On your TV, use the HDMI instead. As you can see, this is the both difference. It can be a one device, but there are two different functions on it. This is how it looks like to have an HDMI port. It also has a mini HDMI port. This is how it looks like had two mini DisplayPort, and this is DisplayPort.